Go.
Strong. Aquarius is never gonna lose to a dirty little bud like you.
He doesn't even. Wait. What?
How did I lose to a dirty? Dave wins. How did I lose to
Okay,
a...
Raven takes the winner.
Come on.
Oh God.
How did I lose to a dirty
You're recording. You're recording now. Come on.
Did
You,
she
go
stop
over
it or
here.
is it still recording?
It's still recording.
You go over
I
here.
stepped on something.
Hey,
Ah!
go over there.
Don't you dare low blood hit a high blood.
Okay.
I'm a higher blood than you.
Okay. Let's go.
I will respect you, but not that dirty low blood.
Okay, ready?
Back
Yep.
up again.
Ow! There
Double
goes your
whammy. Oh, she broke the horn.
What? Ow.
Triple whammy.
Ow. Now I'm like you, Aquarius. Haha.
Look, look, look.
Yeah, put that on YouTube.
Ow. I'm like you now. I'm like you now. We're the same.
You're a lot easier to be.
Yep.
Yeah, we
Where's the
just
rest of the horn go?